SoCal VegFest at Orange Coast College. Alright, so we're about 5 minutes into the vegan festival and I stumbled upon the most delicious vegan cookie booth and I bought an entire box full. They're called Maxine's Heavenly Cookies and they're all made from almond flour and coconut sugar is the sweetener, so they're not too high on the glycemic index. Perfect for diabetics or anybody who has to pay attention to their sugar intake. They're so good. I wish you guys could try them. Have enjoyed watching this video and seeing my time at the VegFest, and I'll see you next time. Bye!